Hey everyone, are you looking for the best free apps to earn gift cards? Then this video is for you. So stay until the end, I will tell you some bonus tips to make money from these apps. Before going over the 10 sites, welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification. Now we jump up to today's video. So number 10 on the list is Cash Karma is an app where you can find quite a lot of paid service here. That is one of the best methods to earn here. You can also do other small tasks here. What is really great about it is that it also has a bonus system. So the more active you are, the more benefits you actually get, and it has a low payout threshold. It starts at around $5. So you only need to earn $5 to be able to start taking you any salary. But the exact payout threshold will depend on the reward you choose. You can get paid in cash also via PayPal, or you can choose between a lot of different gift cards. The executive cost will depend on your location, though, but when you log into Cash Karma, you can immediately go to the rewards section and choose your region, and then see what gift cards are available in your country. Next, we have Gift Hunter Club. It is a website and also an app you can join, and the main way to earn here is active by taking paid surveys, but you can also take paid offers and do other small online micro tasks. And you can take your money out, as you can see, in many different ways. You can, for example, take them out as cash or PayPal, but it also offers a lot of different gift cards, for example, for Amazon, Xbox, iTunes, PlayStation, and more. The executive cuts in office will depend on the country you live in, and how much you need to turn to take out a gift card will also vary from country to country, but usually it starts at around $5 you need to earn to take out of gift cards. You can join Gift Hunter Club from more or less all countries. Just be aware that it has a lot of really good options in English and Spanish-speaking countries. In other countries, it takes a little bit more patience to actually earn here. So the next option I want to go always call Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. As you can hear from the name, it is both available on computers, but you can also download it on your phone, and you could actually earn passively by giving feedback without doing anything. The way Nielsen works is that once you've installed it, it will anonymously gather data about how you use the internet, and it will anonymously then put all that data together with the data of other users. And then we use that for market research, and we get paid for doing that, so you can actually earn passively just by having it installed, and you can earn different rewards. You can earn gift cards and also products, and exact gift cards and products you can choose between depends on the country you live in. Nielsen Computer and Mobile is not available in all countries. They are usually only recruiting in select countries, but I will leave a link below here to a full review and also to a list of the countries where I know that they are currently actually looking for new members. You can check that out if you think this sounds like an option you want to use. Next on the list, we have an App Karma and Outcome. It is an app you can download, and then you can play different games. You can download different games through App Karma, and by using those apps and those games, you will earn inside App Common. And that is the main way to enter. You can also find a few paid services and watch a few videos to learn more, and it has a bonus system. So the more active you are, the more benefits and the more rewards we get, and overall it offers quite fun and interesting way to only continue a little bit of patience, but there are quite a lot of options here. It offers a lot of different gift cards as rewards. The exact type of gift cards will depend on your region. Again here, as soon as you log into the app, you can go to the rewards section and check your region and see the executive cards and the SEC Pay official. Usually you need to earn around $5 to be able to take your earnings out, and you can also choose to get paid in cash via PayPal. You can join Outcome from more or less all countries, and if you join when petition link, you will usually get 300 points joining bonus. Next, we have Feature Points, and it has both website and an app that is really user-friendly. You can find quite a lot of different learning methods here, and you can use it from more or less all countries. You can find a lot of paid service here first of all, but you can also find paid offers and earn by watching videos, and in some countries, you can also get cash back when shopping online, and you can then choose to get paid in quite a lot of different methods. The exact methods will depend on your country, but you can see examples here. Some of the gift cards offers is Amazon, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, Walmart, Night, and more. The payout threshold starts at $5, and you can also get paid in cash via PayPal or in Bitcoin if you want to compete in those ways instead. Moving on up the list, we have Since used to only have a website, but recently they also launched an app so you can easily access to the paid service and the paid offers they have here. Through your phone, it offers quite a lot of paid service, first of all, and also actually quite a lot of paid offers, and you can join from more or less all countries. It also has a daily activity bonus. So if you have a certain activity, they will get an extra bonus, which definitely is a great way to earn a bit extra. You can choose to take your earnings out as a gift card. Once you've earned only $5, and currently it is not offering a lot of gift cards. It is completely open to Amazon as gift cards and also a few others. But you could also choose to give a cash via PayPal or Skrill, but overall just peer side with quite a lot of different payment methods. Next, we have MyPoints, and this is only available in the US and Canada, so if you do not live in the US or Canada, then you need to use some of the other things in this video instead. But if you use MyPoints, you can be interesting. It offers quite a few ways to earn by taking surveys, watching videos, and more on, but it is mainly really interesting. If you ever shopped online, in my opinion, because it works together with more than 2,000 different retailers. So if you've ever shopped online in MyPoint in some of the shops and you're going to spend money in any ways, we get cash back here, so it can be a great way to save that way. And you can see you can actually get that great welcome bonus. You can actually get a free gift card of $10 here for either Amazon or Visa gift card here. The requirements for that is just that you need to actually take one of these cashback offer and spend at least $20 within your first 30 days of being a member. But if you do, then we actually get free gift card of $10. We're now moving into the top 3 on this list, but before the last few. Appreciate it. Just take 1 second to like this video because it can help it to be seen by more people. So on the 3rd place, a paid survey. And it is great to actually use. It's so easy to get access to the paid here, and make sure that you get to them before the accident. And they usually pay quite decently for the surveys you take. That does depend on the country living. It is available in more than 60 different countries, and I will also leave the link here below to more information. And we can also see a list of the countries it is currently recruiting. When you can take the MSL will vary from country to country. In many countries, you can usually somewhere between $5 to $10. In some countries, it might be more than the executive pastor can get, will also vary from country to country. What is great here is that To-Do has specific platforms in all these different countries. In the gift cards, you can get gift cards that are really relevant for your country, but if you prefer, you can also get paid in cash via PayPal. Next on the list, we have Unitvox Community, which is a paid service site, and it offers quite a lot of paid service, and in case by decent default the service you take here. So if you like sharing your opinion, then this is definitely an app I can recommend you to check out, and you will actually get a $2 joining bonus just for signing up and filling out your profile. And once you have been earned $10, you continue in South. You just need to be aware when you first joined, your membership level will require that you need to earn $25 to take your earnings out, but if you just keep being active, you will get a higher membership level automatically, and then eventually be able to take your ins out. Once you've earned only $10, and you can then take them out as cash via PayPal, or you can choose between different gift cards, for example, Amazon gift cards or Visa gift cards, and in some countries, it will also offer different other gift cards as a reward. At the top of the list, we have Swagbucks, and if you have ever looked for free methods to make money online, you have probably heard about Swagbucks because it is one of the biggest and most popular get paid to sides, and the reason I have put it here at the top of the list is because if you are looking for ways to earn gift cards for free, then Swagbucks has one of the biggest selections of gift cards. I have seen Plus, and I have tested hundreds of sites, and it also has an app so you can earn via your phone. You can actually join Swagbucks from more or less all countries, but it offers the most earning opportunities if you live in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Ireland, France, Germany, or Spain. So in particular in those countries, you can earn quite nicely here. In other countries, it can sometimes take a bit more patience. And when you can take your earnings out will depend on your chosen reward. Some gift cards you can take out already been $2 or so, but others were required, and $5 or $10 maybe exactly if passed away, depend on the country you live in. But you can see just examples of some of the gift cards here. If I just scroll through here, you can see it has all these different gift cards. And whether you then want to get paid, Amazon, Visa, Walmart, I'll just jump forward here and show some others: Google Play, Starbucks, eBay, Home Depot, Starbucks here again. There are a lot of different gift cards, and if you at some point want to get paid in cash instead, Swagbucks also offers to pay you in cash via PayPal. So overall, definitely also a great app to use if you want to earn gift cards. As you can see, there are quite a lot of really great apps you can download for free and start earning immediately if you want to earn some gift cards. And I hope this video helped you figure out which platforms and which spending methods you can use that fit you the best, so you can start earning gift cards right away. And if this video helped you, then make sure to give it a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time it's video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out get paid to site. To get my most recommended way of making money online, click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching.